Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some OMD IT classes not installing error in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your Windows update, and after doing this that pause is for 2 weeks. After that resume the updates. After that download all updates, and after downloading the that install in your PC. After that installing your updates, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.